Hello,
Hello, hi, how are you?
I'm good. And what about you?
I'm very good, thank you. Very good. Yeah. All right. So, what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Abdullah and I'm from Pakistan.
Wow. Okay, Pakistan. Yeah.
What's your name?
Okay. So my name is Henry, and I'm from England, but I currently live in Indonesia.
Wow.
All right. So how long have you been learning English?
Uh, for 3 months,
Oh wow. Okay, very impressive. All right. So what kind of scientist would you like to be?
a volcano scientist.
Ooh. Okay. What is this? I have no idea.
Do you don't know volcanoes?
I don't know.
Why?
I don't know. So what is this? Is this what kind of scientists do would that specialize in?
To explore
Okay.
volcanoes.
To explore what, sorry?
Volcanoes.
Okay. Yes, I do know this. All right. So in Indonesia, where I live now, there are actually loads and loads of volcanoes. So I think Indonesia would very much interest you. Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah.
Are there any volcanoes in Pakistan?
No.
All right. So
There is one volcano, but it is very far away from us.
okay. So you've never been there, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So maybe, yeah, hopefully one day you get to go there and see this volcano. I think that would be very good.
Yes.
Awesome. All right. And so how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
8. Okay, amazing. All right, very cool.
How old are you?
Okay. How old do you think I am?
Yeah, I think you are 20 years old.
Oh wow. Okay. I wish I was 20, but I'm actually a little bit older, so I'm 31.
31?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
You married?
Not yet. Not yet. So one day, hopefully soon, I will be married. Yeah. All right. So where in Pakistan do you live?
I live in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. And what about you?
Okay. All right. So I live on a small island called Lombok. I'll type it in there for you. So
You
Lombok is
live,
uh-huh.
you are living on island.
Yes. It's an island.
Wow.
It's very, very beautiful. So it's famous for beaches, volcanoes, and also jungle.
Okay, and do you like sports?
I do, yeah. I love sports. Yeah, so my favorite sport is football.
Football.
How about you?
My favorite sport is cricket.
Of course, yes. So cricket is very, very popular in Pakistan. I know that.
Yes.
Also in England, but I don't know about cricket. So do you play cricket or just watch cricket?
I play cricket and watch it too.
Okay, all right. And are you good at cricket?
Yes.
Yeah.
Not
And
it,
so,
not it good in batting.
you're good at batting.
No. I
You're
said
not good
that
at
I'm
batting.
not good in it.
Okay. So what do you enjoy most playing cricket?
I like throwing the ball on it.
Okay, so you're a good bowler.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, amazing. All right, that's very good. So for me, I have no idea how to bowl, so I think it looks very, very difficult. So yeah, very cool, very cool.
This is not difficult.
Yeah, not maybe not for you, because you know how to do it, but for me, I don't know how. So I think there's a very special technique to do it correctly. Yeah.
Practice make perfect.
Yeah, that's true.
I do practice more and more. So now I'm good in it.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, I agree with that. That's a very good thing to say.
So
Yes, yeah. Okay, very cool, very cool. And so have you ever been to any other countries before?
No.
Okay. So if you could go to any country in the world, where would you most like to go?
I would like to go to the United States of America.
Okay. And why America?
Because I love America.
Okay. So what is it about America that you love so much, though?
Because there is a lot of volcanoes, and it's all, and being a lot of beautiful places.
Yes, definitely. Yeah. So I've also never been to America, but it's somewhere I would love to go. So especially I think in the West Coast, so in California and places like that, I think it's very, very beautiful. And also Hawaii.
And I'd like to go to Washington.
Washington. Okay, yeah. So the capital, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, all right. And why would you like to go to Washington?
Because there is a volcano, and I love that volcano.
Okay, I didn't know that. Okay, so I'm going to have a look quickly now online at the Washington volcano. Let me see. Oh, wow. Okay, yes. So this is called Mount St. Helens, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Very cool. So it looks very, very big and very impressive. Yeah. All right.
And very dangerous.
Very dangerous, of course. Yes. Yeah. So about something like a volcano would be amazing. So yes. All right. So what time is it now in Pakistan?
In Pakistan is 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Okay. So a little bit different. So for me, it is 11 o'clock in the morning. So what are your plans today? What are you going to do?
I would like to go to we have nearby some mountains, and I have to go there and explore them.
Okay, very cool. Yeah. All right. So I've never been to Pakistan, but I've seen photos and videos. So I know that Pakistan is very, very beautiful. And yes, like you said, lots and lots of mountains.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So who do you like to go to the mountains with?
With my brother.
Your brother. Okay. How old is your brother?
He is 20 years old.
Okay, perfect. All right. So you and your brother like to go to these places and go hiking and kind of exploring. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, amazing. All right. That sounds very, very fun. Yeah. So my brother, he is also a little bit older than me, but that's what we used to do, or sometimes still do. So we like to go out into the nature and explore mountains and things like that.
Okay. And do you play video games?
Sometimes I used to, but not so much anymore. But yes, yeah. I've just realized that we've run out of time though, so we have to go. So it was really, really nice meeting you. Thank you for calling. And call again next time and we can talk about video games.
Bye.
Okay. See you. Bye-bye.